Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Austin sidebar text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert Austin sidebar text box in this document. Go to the Insert menu and we can see here the draw text box option, but not available the Austin sidebar text box. We check the all option, they are not available this. Now we want to insert this. Go to the Microsoft Word document and create a blank document. Then go to the Insert menu. Click the text box drop down menu and we can see here the Austin sidebar text box. Then we insert it. Then go to round sum. Then resize the text box. Zoom out the document and select the text box. Then click and drag on our mouse to select this text box. Then click right button on our mouse and select copy. Then go to the Publisher document, click right button again, then paste. And we can see we insert the Austin sidebar text box to this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.